Hey everyone, welcome to the Photographer Society weekly blog. So in this week's episode, I'm going to share with you the 5 reasons why I don't have my pricing on my website. And if you do, or you're thinking about should you or shouldn't you, the pros and the cons, I'm going to share with you 5 reasons why I've decided not to put my prices on my website. So let's get started. So number 1 is I don't want any window shoppers or bargain hunters to be actually contacting me. I want really serious clients that just want to actually reach out and see how everything works, what my costs are and things like that, that are genuinely interested in booking me. Because you'll find that when your prices are on there, people will either skim through it, whether they're serious or not, and won't even bother to contact you. When they're serious about it, they will take that not even 2 minutes time to fill out that form and contact you. Plus, that also lessens the admin work for my assistant and for myself following up, because as you guys know, I call every inquiry that comes through. Then my assistant does all the follow-ups in our business system. As you know, we have strategies in place. So that will cut that time, plus time is money. So this is one reason why I don't put my prices on my website. Number 2 is I do have and I do indicate starting from prices. Now, if you want to put something, you can. You don't even have to put starting from prices, but I do, just to indicate to those clients that are interested roughly where I start from. And that would be probably my low-end package or just a package that I offer one-off. It could be anything. So starting from prices are good because it helps also filter out those who can and can't afford you. Number 3 is prices and packages actually can confuse clients and make them run away. So you don't want that. So when people see, I've seen people put on their website, every single package, and me as a photographer, I can't even understand what that means, or I've got questions around those packages. So you can imagine someone that's probably never booked a photography session before, or just simply doesn't know how to or anything about it. So they can actually confuse clients. So what I would do is I would actually not put all my packages on there, because that's why it just confuses clients and gets them asking questions, and you don't want all that, because a confused person won't tend to contact you and will just move through and go somewhere else, and you don't want that. The 4th thing is my strategy with them getting to actually send through an inquiry and contacting me is also them being added to my mailing list. So it says on my website that once you send through an inquiry form, it will automatically add you to our mailing list. Feel free to subscribe anytime you want. That way, number 1, I'm building my mailing list, so whether they decide to book then and there at that time, that's great. If not, I've got their email on my mailing list, which I can later email to, or also when I've got a promotion or something going on, they will get my email as well. So that inquiry hasn't gone to waste. Also, bringing leads through your website through a contact, so getting them to contact you, actually is you're more likely to convert that potential client into an actual booking most of the time. Because if someone just looks through your website, has a question, and then everyone's busy online these days, and then gets distracted by a text message or goes somewhere else, they actually forgot to send through an inquiry. They may even not memorize your business name or forgot where they went, and there you go, that's a lost potential client. So once they send through a lead through your website or through your social media, wherever, you're more likely to convert them into a booking. This is why I say to all my business school members, you must get on the phone with them, or at least have an automated email sent right away to them, so they don't even have to wait for any information they want in order to book you in. So that's it for this week's blog, and they are my 5 reasons why I don't put my prices on my website. So I'd love to hear from you, whether you do or you don't put your prices on your website, and the reasons why in the comments below. And this week's freebie is called the do's and don'ts of putting prices on your website. So I give you some ideas where if you do put your prices on your website, and some ideas if you don't, just to help both sides of this situation. So until then, guys, I will see you next week. And remember, go download that freebie and let me know what you think. Until then, take care. Are you struggling to book clients and grow your photography business? Do you find it hard to market your business, book enough clients, and charge what you really want? Then I invite you to check out the Photographer Society Business School and start your 7-day free trial. All you have to do is go to thephotographersociety.com.